Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. So for today's video, I got Walmart's beauty box for summer 2022. Woo! Can you guys believe it's already July? Where did the time go? I don't even know. Anyways, today we will be unboxing Walmart's beauty box. That's right. Walmart has a beauty box, a beauty subscription box. I think it's about $7. It's like 6 and some change. Comes out to 7 with like taxes and stuff. But like, holy crap. This is usually really good. I loved the winter box. It had like an eyeshadow palette. I think it had a brow pencil, and then it had like a cream, like a foot cream. It had a lot of cool stuff. I never know what I'm gonna get in here. They do have like a little profile quiz that you fill out, and it's supposed to like suit your needs or whatever. It's usually pretty good for $7. It's like kind of like you just pay for shipping in a way. Like usually shipping is like $5, $5.99. So it's kind of like you just pay for shipping and then you get all these free cool stuff, which I really like. So if you do guys like these types of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you do like the video, it would mean the world to me if you guys do like the video. If you can, it does help out my channel out so much more than you know. Click that little notification bell so you guys be notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so Walmart beauty box summer 2022. Ready? Oh, okay, it's wrapped. You know what? I like this because not even like BoxyCharm wraps their stuff. So that's what we got. Just a little sneak peek. I do like that it comes with like a pamphlet and it tells you what you could have gotten if you do get any of this. So let's see what we got for summer. So I did get 6 items and they're mostly all samples. There's a couple full sizes in here. I don't think I got any makeup in here. I didn't, and I usually get a lot of makeup. Usually like last month I got a lot of makeup. So no makeup this time, but that's fine because I really want to try this stuff out. The first thing I got is this. This is a toner. This is a toner. Pore Perfecting Toner by Dickinson's. It's a really good, like, hefty bottle size. Like, this is a good size. Powered by natural distilled witch hazel, 100%. And this is a full size. Wow, this is a full size. And it is $4 and wait, it's not a full size, just kidding. This is a deluxe size. A full size is $4.68, but still, like, that's really good to try this out. And then if you want it, it's not that pricey. So I like this. This is good. If you guys do want to see what I have on my face, please tune into this video right here. I did do the whole Glam Light Frosted Flakes collection with the new Frosted Flakes palette. With this new palette, and like obsessed with this palette. It's such a good palette and I highly recommend it. So if you guys want to go tune into that video so you see how I created this look, go ahead and tune into that video. It's much appreciated if you guys check it out. Okay, let's do a sample. So we got shampoo and conditioner. This is honestly pretty good to see if you do like it. It's like 1 or 2 washes depending on your hair. It's pretty full. This is Suave Pink Up the Volume Sulfate Free Shampoo and Conditioner. Enriched with amino acid complex. Using revolutionary technology, the shampoo and conditioner system is formulated with an amino acid complex to smooth hair by working on the inside of the fiber, ideal for transforming flat and fine hair into voluminous, workable hair. So that's cool. I might try this out. I'm gonna see if this is color safe or not. As you can tell, I do have some highlights, some money pieces. So my hair is color treated because my hair is black, like black as like your soul, you know? So it can't, you know, I can't damage it more because that would be bad. I'm gonna see if I can use this and then I'll let you know how it goes. I'll let you know. Yeah. I'm glad that these are in here because you know what? These are really good when you travel. Like if you don't want to bring like the little mini bottles either. If you're just staying like one night and you need some extra shampoo and conditioner, bam, here you go. So it's not gonna damage your hair if you only use it once, you know? So I might use that for like my next trip or something. I might do that. Next is this. I freaking love these things. I buy the big pack at Costco, like the 30 pack for like 20 something bucks, I think it is. And I think a pack of these for like 8 or 9 is like $12, $13 at like Target. This is Liquid IV Multiplier, the Liquid IV Hydration and Pina Colada. And I freaking love this. Do I have enough water? I do have some water here. Should we try it out? Let's try it out, yeah? Okay, so I went to go add a little bit more water because it does say you have to put it into 16 ounces. I love the lemon lime. My second favorite is, oh my God, my hair. My second favorite is the passion fruit, then the strawberry, then the cherry. The cherry one tastes like cherry medicine. Don't recommend that one. Pina colada, it says get hydrated fast, more efficiently than drinking water alone. It's basically electrolytes with flavoring, and it's supposed to be like 2.5 water bottles and like one little stick basically. So I'm just gonna pour it in some to my water. And then I usually get like a water bottle and shake it, but I'm just gonna stir it. That's really good. It tastes straight up like a pina colada. Like, that's really good. I like this. I think this is my new favorite. I wonder if they sell these. Do you think they sell these? Like the big packs? Because I've only seen the big packs in Costco of like the strawberry and the lemon lime. The lemon lime tastes like the yellow Gatorade. This one is so tropical. Like this is perfect for the summer. I don't think I could drink this like every day like the lemon lime one, because I think I just like lemon flavor a little bit better. This is freaking good. Highly recommend. The next thing that I got is this. This is the Cetaphil Gently Oil-Free. No, this is not a moisturizer. This isn't on here. They were supposed to send me a moisturizer, but they didn't. Cetaphil Skin Cleanser from dry to normal skin. Dry to normal sensitive skin, which is really good because I have dry skin. I've actually been wanting to try a lot of their stuff because I heard it's really good for your face. Oh, it's so packed. I don't know if you could tell. Can you see that? Look, like you squeeze it out. That's the cleanser. No, we're gonna stay in there. We're gonna stay in there. I don't need you to come out yet. This is good that they like actually packed it in, because a lot of stuff don't pack it, especially for smaller sizes. This is really good, like, you know, to travel. Like I said, it's gonna have at least 3, 4, maybe 5 uses out of this. You can actually see if it's good for your skin, if it does anything. A full size to that, let me look it up. On Amazon it says $8.99 for the full size, so we're just gonna believe that because it's probably true. And we have another little sample size, and then we have a full size, which actually I think is probably one of the better things in here. So this is tiny. I kind of wish they would have thrown like another sample size in here, because I don't feel like this justifies to be one size, especially how tiny this little packet is. I feel like they should have thrown something a little bit else. Like they had a sunscreen in here, they had a moisturizer, they had a lip balm, they had toothpaste. Like I think my box is probably missing an item, to be honest, but that's fine. It is fine. It is what it is. Sagely Naturals Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream. That's what this is? Wow, okay. It has menthol. It's like a one-time use kind of thing, but if you like it, you like it. And the full size is $12.48. So that is that right there. I'm not gonna open it up because obviously it's a one full-time thing. The last thing that I got is this. I want to say this is one of the better things in here. This is the Bic Soleil Escape Razor. I think it has 3 blades. It does. And this says tickle your senses. Lavender and eucalyptus scented handle. Plus a moisturized strip with 100% almond oil for a happy shave. Oh, I will definitely try this out. Oh, it smells so good. This smells so good. So it's just a razor. See, 3-blade razor. Oh, it smells delicious. This says $4.29. That's pretty good. I will definitely get use out of this. I do like that Walmart beauty box sends you practical items that you do get a use out of. So I do like this beauty box. I just think that it's missing a little bit of makeup in here, or some hair, definitely more makeup, because it did have like, I could have had an SPF right there. I think that was another SPF. It had an Invisibobble, like it had a toothpaste. I think I'm missing an item. I don't know if I should complain or if I should not complain, because I did get 6 items and it's always 6 items. I just feel like this is a little tiny to be considered an item. Everything else I like. Pina Colada Liquid IV, highly recommend. I think it is so good. That's delicious. You could fool me. You can put in a little bit of alcohol in this. I know you're not supposed to because it's a hydrating drink or whatever. But if you would put alcohol in this with some ice and blend it, ooh, you know what? That's a good idea. To be hydrated while drinking alcohol, blend it with some ice, a little bit of pineapple juice. Delicious. That's such a good idea. I might do that. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. I do like it. I'm a little sad because I feel like my previous box were a little bit better, but let me know in your opinion if you would get this box. If you would not, let me know down below in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for coming. If you guys do like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. It will mean the world to me if you guys do. Like the video, click that little notification bell so you guys be notified of all future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.